Makati City. Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel where we explore the best of the Philippines. Today, I'm sharing some totally new finds in Makati City. These spots will surprise you. Let's dive in. First up, check out the hidden eco-parks tucked away in Makati. You know how the city buzzes with traffic and offices. But right in the middle, there's this new pocket park called Verde Grove. It opened last year with native plants and small ponds. Kids play there after school. It's a quick escape from the heat. Walk from Ayala Avenue, and you'll spot it behind a row of shops. Perfect for a picnic. Food lovers, listen. Makati's got a new market at Circuit. It blends Filipino adobo with Korean twists. Stalls sell fresh fruits and grilled skewers. Open weekends only. Getting around. New bike paths connect Makati to BGC. They started in early 2025. Rent a bike at stations along EDSA. Paths wind through green spaces. Safer than cars. I rode it last week. Smooth ride with ocean views. For views, head to rooftops you might miss. In Makati, the old post office building now has a secret deck. Climb up for 360-degree sights. Makati's library added VR rooms. Test games about Philippine history. Finally, events in 2025. Makati hosts a film fest in March with outdoor screens. BGC plans music nights in parks through summer. Mark your calendars. Makati City, the most important city of Metro Manila's most vibrant business district. While many are familiar with their towering skyscrapers, bustling malls, and lively nightlife, these areas also hide a trove of unique experiences waiting to be uncovered. Let's dive into some fascinating aspects of Makati City and BGC that may be new to you. The cultural landscape, art in unexpected places. One of the most intriguing features of Makati is the commitment to public art. In recent years, both locations have transformed into open-air galleries, showcasing impressive installations that often go unnoticed. Wandering through its streets, you might stumble upon thought-provoking pieces by local artists. Makati boasts the Ayala Museum, which recently updated its exhibits to include immersive experiences that delve into Philippine history and cultural heritage. These artistic expressions not only beautify the city, but also foster a deeper appreciation for local talent. Green spaces amidst the urban jungle. Amidst the concrete jungle, both Makati have made significant stride in integrating green spaces into their landscapes. You can enjoy outdoor fitness activities, picnic spots, and even dog parks, all designed to promote a healthier lifestyle. In Makati, the Ayala Triangle Garden serves as an urban oasis, providing a lush retreat amidst the busy city. Take a stroll through the gardens during the day, or relax at one of the nearby cafes. It's a perfect spot to escape the urban hustle and recharge your spirit. Culinary adventures off the beaten path. While Makati and BGC boast numerous high-end restaurants and trendy cafes, there's a wealth of lesser-known culinary spots that offer unique flavors and experiences. In Makati, you can explore the hidden gems located in Salcedo Village, from quaint diners serving authentic regional Filipino dishes to international eateries that bring global flavors to your plate. Don't miss the weekend Salcedo Market, where local vendors gather to sell homemade delicacies and artisanal products. These hidden culinary delights add depth to the city's gastronomic landscape and promise a delightful culinary adventure. A hub for innovation and sustainability. Makati is not just business hubs. They are also leading the way in sustainability and innovation, with buildings designed for energy efficiency and waste management systems in place. In Makati, the city government is actively working towards smart city solutions, incorporating technology for better traffic management and public services. In 2026, Makati City is notable primarily for the reopening of the luxurious Mandarin Oriental Hotel at Ayala Triangle Gardens, marking the return of a key landmark in its skyline after the original structure was demolished in 2014. Makati continues to be a financial and business hub, with a dense population influx during working days and ongoing infrastructure modernization, including tall technologically advanced buildings like the Gramercy. The city also hosts significant events, such as the Effective Altruism Summit and Photo World Asia 2026. Discover the hidden gems of Makati City Glowing Star. Join us in this exciting journey as we unveil surprising secrets and little-known facts about the vibrant heart of Metro Manila. From more inspiring art installations and eco-friendly spaces to underground food spots that even locals don't know about, we reveal what makes Makati truly remarkable. Cityscape, did you know about the quirky history behind those stunning skyscrapers? Or the secret alleys filled with rich culture? Hit that play button to learn something new and give yourself the ultimate guide to exploring these urban treasures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing city secrets.